Welcome, everyone. Over at the AI Agent Store, we're always looking at the latest tools, and today we're looking into one called Cubeo AI.
Yes, Cubeo AI. It's popped up as something promising to, well, genuinely change how some of us work.
Right, exactly. So let's explore what this platform is actually about and how it might, help streamline things for you.
Absolutely. It's an interesting approach, really aiming to make some quite powerful AI accessible. We should probably look at what makes it different.
Okay, let's do that. So, at its heart, what is Cubeo AI? For someone listening, maybe struggling with repetitive tasks, what's the core idea here?
Well, basically, Cubeo AI is a platform, a no-code platform for building and orchestrating custom AI specialists.
Custom specialists. Okay, and the custom part is key, right? Trained on your data.
Precisely. That's the main differentiator. It's not a generic one-size-fits-all thing. You're tailoring the AI to your specific needs, your data.
And because it's no code,
Yeah.
that means more people can actually use it, not just developers.
That's the goal, yes. It really democratizes the creation of these AI agents. It's highlighted as being good for sales teams, marketing, HR, research analysts, even automation engineers who want to build quickly.
So specialists aligned with actual job functions. Can you give an example? Like, what kind of agent could you build?
Sure. Think about creating, say, a lead finder agent, or maybe an email writer assistant, a competitor analyst even. These are specific tools for specific jobs.
Okay, I get it. So you build these individual helpers, but how does it handle workflows? Can they work together?
They can, yeah. That's the orchestration piece. You can automate workflows using multiple agents that kind of hand off tasks to each other.
Interesting. So like a little AI team working on a process?
Kind of, yes. And using triggers to kick things off. So if you have those repetitive tasks, maybe across sales, marketing, research, this system could potentially take a real load off.
And this ties into autonomy, right?
Yeah.
How independent are these agents?
Well, they demonstrate a pretty high degree of autonomy. Features like the LinkedIn profile search with advanced filtering. That's quite powerful for targeted tasks.
Okay.
And there's an AI researcher feature, too, for automated market analysis. Plus, they mention upcoming things like long-term memory and webhook notifications.
So potentially even more capable of operating with less direct supervision in the future.
That seems to be the direction, yes. Suggests more potential for working independently.
What really strikes me, though, is the training aspect you mentioned earlier. Training them on your specific information, your company website, internal data.
Exactly. That's, I think, the most powerful part. An AI that doesn't just know about your field, but knows your specific context.
So what's the real-world impact then? For you listening, what does this actually do?
Well, community feedback suggests it's great at automating parts of the research process, scanning competitor sites, summarizing feedback.
So it speeds things up significantly.
It does. It handles those routine data gathering tasks, which frees you up to focus more on strategy, on the bigger picture.
And I heard it helps with content, too, like planning and outlining.
Yeah, that's another benefit people mention, helping plan content, write outlines, generate prompts, making that whole process faster, maybe more creative, even if you don't have much AI experience.
Right. So it's not just about automation, but also maybe enhancing creativity or capability.
I think that's a fair way to put it. It lowers the barrier to using AI for specific, valuable tasks.
Okay, so summing up, Cubeo AI lets you build these custom AI tools trained on your stuff without needing to code. They can work together to automate workflows.
Mm-hmm. The goal is saving you time, definitely, but also maybe unlocking new ways to approach tasks by having this tailored intelligence.
Moving you from just reacting to information to being more proactive with it.
Exactly. Leveraging AI that really understands your specific context, your data. That could be a significant shift.
Makes sense. So if you want to learn more about Cubeo AI or check out other interesting agents, head over to aiagentstore.ai.
It's worth taking a look.
And as always, we really appreciate you rating the show. It genuinely helps us get these insights out to more people. Thanks for tuning in.